This is Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. I'm going to bring you a quick 5-minute sandwich. This is something you can make quick for lunch or dinner and add other stuff, or you could use it as a snack or on the go. But we're going to use these nice French rolls. They're Euro French recipe. They're really soft. We're going to use spinach. We got honey and maple turkey breast. We got pickle slices that are kosher, and we got this garlic aioli mayonnaise from avocado oil. So we're going to take all that together and make a quick sandwich. It's not going to be a gourmet meal, look the most prettiest, but we're going to do that and just plate it. So be back. All right, so we're back. We have that Euro French recipe roll. We got the turkey breast. And we're going to just put the turkey breast on the roll. Actually, sorry about that. That's the bloopers of live recording. I don't edit. Like I said many times, and it's my tagline, I'm an ordinary person like you. I'm going to keep it real. So there's the honey and maple turkey breast. You can see the nice quality of that. So we're going to put that on there. And next we're going to put some mayonnaise on there. And then we'll put the other stuff. But this usually only takes like nowhere from 5 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. That's it. Alright, so we're going to add that garlic aioli mayonnaise. And just put on what you normally want. It's pretty thick. We're going to put more on there, so just consider what you want. Like next we're going to put the spinach on there. Alright, so we used that mayonnaise from Primal Kitchen. Really good. We got the mayonnaise on there. Now we're going to take the spinach. If you don't want to use spinach, you could use butter lettuce, Italian lettuce, whatever you want. Basically put on whatever the amount of spinach you want. Next we're going to just use these pickle slices to go in there, and then after that we'll throw some more mayonnaise, and then we're done. We'll just cut it and it's done. Like I said, only a 3 to 5 minute sandwich. Alright, so we used the kosher slices, organic, and you can see that on the plate. So now we're just going to put some more mayonnaise on there, and we're basically done. Like, you can put pepper on there if you want, or other stuff, but it's like whatever is to your taste and liking. So this is, like I said, this is not the prettiest recipe, not a gourmet. This is like a quick one, and it tastes good. Alright, so we're done with that. We're going to just take some pepper, and like I said, you could you can put on whatever seasonings you want. And then we're just going to put the top back on. And we got a pretty decent sandwich. Actually, it's bigger than the bun. These are hamburger buns, but you can use them for sandwiches or anything you want. Now we just have to slice it, and we're done. Alright, so we're done with that. We cut it in half. You could add stuff to your plate, but that's that really quick turkey sandwich. You can see the mayonnaise in there with the spinach and pickles. Like I said, you can't go wrong with this Euro bread. These it's basically a French recipe. It says hamburger buns, but you could use it for any sandwich. Thanks for taking this journey with me. God bless. Thanks for visiting Dansoy, aka Batman. Please subscribe, hit the bell for 2 to 5 updates a week. See you soon. God bless. Bye bye.